Hello class 704. Today is Friday, March 6, 2020. I am Nick Teacher, and today we're going to be doing Writing Monster, page 82 to 83. So pause the video, take out Writing Monster, and let's get started. Okay? So, the first thing that we're going to do today, number 1, you swim in the ocean. What's in the ocean? So we have a list of animals that we see in the ocean, and we have to write how many. Okay? So let's start by listing animals. Okay? So we will erase the board. And let's begin. What is the first animal that we are going to write? Well, let's look at the picture. What is that? That is a turtle. A turtle, okay? So, on our list, number 1, let's write turtle. Number 1, turtle, okay? What other animals do we see? There is also a dolphin. A dolphin, okay? That is a dolphin. So, number 2, let's write dolphin. Dolphin. Okay? Let's keep going. Again, let's look. Oh, what is that animal? That is a jellyfish. Okay? So, number 3 will be jellyfish. Jellyfish. Okay? If we are going too fast, pause the video and make sure that you have all the words written correctly. Okay? Okay. The next animal. Let's see what else we can see in the picture. Oh, look at this guy. What animal is that? That is a squid. A squid. So number 4, let's write squid. Squid. Okay, what about over here? What animal is that? That looks like a whale. That is a whale. So, number 5, let's write whale. Number 6, what about this scary guy? What animal is that? That is a shark. Okay? So number 6 will be a shark. So we have our list of animals. Can you see that? You can see that. Now we have to write how many. Okay. So pause the video to make sure that you have all 6 animals written correctly. And the next thing we are going to do is we are going to decide how many animals there are. Okay? So, let's start with the turtle. How many turtles do we want to see in the ocean? Well, let's say there is only 1 turtle. So, for how many, we are going to write 1. Okay? 1. So we'll do this, okay? There we go. There we go, perfect. And then we'll do 1 right down the middle. Okay. What about the dolphin? How many dolphins do we see? Well, why don't we say that we can see 2 dolphins? 2. So we're going to write 2. 2 dolphins. For the jellyfish, how many jellyfish do we want? How about we have 3 jellyfish? So for number 3, let's write 3. Okay? 3. For the squid, we will say there are 4 squids. So to write 4, 4. Okay. For the whale, how many whales are there? We will say there are 5 whales. Okay? And the last one, for the shark, how many sharks are there? We will say there are 6 sharks. 6 sharks. Okay? So, pause the video, make sure you have all of this written, and then we're going to move on to the next page. Okay? So, pause. Okay. All right. So, page 83, we have Write on Your Own. So, we have the title, In the Ocean, by. This is where you will put your name. Put your name here. And then we have the first sentence. I swim in the ocean. And we have the last sentence. It is so much fun. So what we are going to write here is we are going to write sentences about the animals that we saw and how many there are. Okay? So let's start. The first sentence. So, we have, I swim in the ocean. I swim in the ocean. Next, let's write that we can see, I swim in the ocean, I see 1 turtle. I see 1 turtle. Okay, remember, we only saw the 1 turtle. Okay? Now, we will say, I see, how many dolphins did we see? We saw 2 dolphins. I see 2 dolphins. Now, remember, when there is more than 1, to add the S at the end of dolphin. I see 2 dolphins. Dolphins. Okay? Next, we have jellyfish. So we will say, how many jellyfish did we see? We saw 3 jellyfish. I see 3. Jellyfish. Jellyfishes? Jellyfish. So jellyfish, you don't put an S. It is an exception. Sometimes you don't have to put an S, but most of the time you do. So for this one, there is no S. Okay? Let's move on to the squid. How many squids did we see? We saw 4 squids. I see 4 squids. Okay? The next animal we had was a whale. How many whales did we see? We saw 5 whales. So we will say, I see 5 whales. I see 5 whales. And the last one was sharks. How many sharks did we see? We saw 6 sharks. So, I see 6 sharks. Okay? And remember, we have the sentence at the end. It is so much fun. Now, if you cannot fit all of this in this space here, that is okay. Write as much as you can and then send a picture and we will correct it, okay? So class 704, that is all I have for today. If you have any questions, email any teacher and we will help you. And I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye.